Big orders don't start in a cart. They start with a question. QuotWay puts that question right on your product page. An Add to Quote button that matches your brand. And not just there, the cart page, the mini cart, product cards and collections, and a floating launcher that keeps the quote one tap away. One click opens the quote drawer. Buyers set quantities, name an optional offer price, and drop a note per product. As they keep shopping, everything lands in one request. Then their details, name, email, company. Add your own custom fields, and let them attach specs or purchase orders. A quick review, one tap, and it's in. They get a reference and a confirmation email. You get a new quote in your admin. You decide exactly who sees the button, specific products, collections, tags, or vendors, and specific buyers, tag customers, logged-in accounts, even B2B companies. Everyone else just sees your normal storefront. Signed-in company buyers get a head start. The form pre-fills their company and their location's shipping address, so the quote arrives company aware. Make it yours. Button label, style, and brand color. Drawer position, width, and corner radius. Wizard or single page, and every buyer-facing word is editable per language. It installs as a native theme app extension. Enable the embed, place the block, done. No theme code edits. Your storefront. Now a quote channel. QuotWay, B2B quotes and negotiation, built for Shopify. From product page to quote request in under a minute. Start free.